Republican Party of India Athwale National Secretary Maheshwar has warned that failure to penalize biased security forces could lead to future fallouts. Speaking during a ground assessment visit to Kanto Sabal in Imphal West District, where approximately 6 Meitei residences were reportedly set ablaze by Kuki miscreants, Maheshwar strongly condemned the 18th Battalion Punjab Regiment stationed nearby for failing to provide satisfactory explanation for the incident. After personnel failed to give a proper response, the RPI leader contacted Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment, Ramdas Athwale, who assured him that necessary measures should be initiated regarding the matter. Maheshwar further criticized the central forces for showing utter disregard towards public representatives. He noted that the top commanding officials ignored a meeting request from Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimola Koijam and also treated a subsequent phone call from Minister Athwale with casual indifference. Terming this behavior an insult to the people of Manipur, he stated that such dismissive conduct would never be displayed towards lawmakers from other states. He questioned how Meitei homes could be torched right in front of the regiment during a Kuki rally. He also alleged that when the locals pleaded for help, the security forces turned on the victims with tear gas and smoke bombs. Maheshwar demanded immediate and stringent punishment for the personnel involved.
Bharat ki Union Minister amana party akoigi kay haitoino RPI ki president oriba Ramdas Athwale na masamak phone pairaga wari chanage to ngatang tholo o haiba matamda makoi yam laithona usittabagi taiba tauba haibase se na akoi Manipur se makoi usitre na takpani koigi makoi akoi bu kanbini na laiba kangu singse makoi na chapchaba duty toroktaba michang mikhai naiba machangba ama yaubase makoi su para tambiba machanga ra haibase akoi khali aduna para phajana tambiba tabani achoba conspiracy ama laigre akoi na si haiba matamda mayam ningsang biran legal notice hajalakani Amo hay aduna any thazin ho akoi na koi tumin lebe yade any akoi namdhan ba torok so akoi huzik thengna ba tabani makoi da para ama tambi hodragadi hayeng tungi yumbiron gi damakta achoba akaibam lakani no huzik akoi da presence da thoi ba thabak se akoi na koi para ama achom tambi hogadabne se haijari me